Welcome to Vridhivesh Finance, and we are presenting one of the SME IPO, and that is nothing but that is one of the company which is selling their watches into the market, and that is Force India Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors and viewers, if you're aware about the companies, it's like there are many companies into the market, and yes, their industry overview we are going to talk about over here. Our mainly engaged with the business of supply, distribution, retailing, and the various types of wristwatches such as analog and digital, chronograph, designer, etc., which are either customized, built, or general in nature. We supply wristwatches in a bulk to our top 5 institutional customers. Such watches are made in their own brand name, constituting approximately 90% of total revenue. Among these top customers, we have a single largest customer constituting almost 91% of our total revenue from the and we distribute and do retailing of wristwatches made under the brand name is a Force, FOCE, which is promoted by Mr. Manoj Sitaram Agrawal and across in India, which constitute around 2% of total revenue. Further, we also involve in the business of corporate gifting such as a timepiece, wall clock, belt, ties, wallet, pen and goggles, etc. Ornamental packaging boxes for watches, selling of watches and other products under the loyalty brands, which is constitute around 3% of total revenue. Presently, we are procuring an entire requirement of watches and other products from our group concern, namely MS/M/S Force Industry, are a partnership firms engaged in the business manufacturing assembling wristwatches at Guwahati, Assam on April 6th, 2021. We have incorporated whole owned subsidiary FO Industry Private Limited in other products and facility being located in Bhiwandi near Mumbai. Subsidiary was incorporated increasing supply and finished products and minimize our dependency on our group concern. The subsidiaries likely commence in the business of the month December 2021. Fund require investment subsidiaries are internal accrual of our company. We have a strong customer profile across India. After sales services to their satisfaction, our core strength lies in customer loyalty, dedicated team, excellent quality product, strong resources and marketing network from delivery. We value our customers and aims to exceed customer expectation, fulfilling value commitment. Our customer oriented approach, cordial relations with the key strength of our company. We aim to provide cost-effective solution adhering quality standard of the services. We strive to establish relationship with the client and collaborate with them to drill down the best solutions. Okay, so this is all about the company. I guess this company are really looking for the business around. They are actually have a network of 128 stores or showrooms in India. We focus on retail luxury watches brand through a strategically store at metro tier 1 and tier 2 city. To improve shopping experience, we have a commenced digital platform through e-commerce portal, that is forceindia.com. Platform facility is seamlessly through e-commerce portal, seamless to wide variety of luxury watches we retail. Our portal also to cater customer which are not based on location where stores are located. Our online platform helps us to generate the leads for sales at stores. We intend to develop digital platform for providing our customer e-commerce and online retail business experience, we believe, which can be converted into footfall in our store. To effectively cover pan India, we open stores to open large size store. Our stores or count may remain the similar level, and we will become pan India player through strength through our e-commerce platform forceindia.com. So dear investors and viewers, if you are aware about, or if you are ready to buy some sort of watches, you can go on their online platform. So forceindia.com will show you catalog, and whatever you wanted to buy, you can buy it. So they are doing their sales via distributor also in India. And yes, absolutely, their distributor names is Mehta Times Private Limited in Mumbai, Standard Times in Secunderabad, H&M Enterprises in Delhi NCR. So they are having a total number of employees are 12 only. We will come back to you with the other details later on. Dear investors and viewers, Force India company detail. Company originally named as Highton Trading Company Private Limited on 10 January 2001. Then they have changed their name in the year of 2020, and yes, absolutely, they have changed their name as a Force India Private Limited. After that, they have got issue certificate from Private Limited to the Limited Company on 30th April 2021. Their office is registered at 4 Kingston Shastri Nagar Lokhandwala Complex, Andheri West, Mumbai number 400053, Maharashtra State. And their corporate office is 1006 10th floor, Sri Krishna New Link Road, Andheri West, Mumbai number 400053. Website is forceindia.com. Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date 13 December 2021. IPO closing date 17 December 2021. Issue type fixed price issue. IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 225 rupees per equity share. Market lot 600 shares. Minimum lot. Minimum order quantity 600 shares. Listing at NSE and SME only. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. We will come back to you very soonly with other details and the share target for all SMEs. Have a look around our other video where we have mentioned the target for shares which are IPOs are listed in the year of 2021 till the November itself. So have a look around that, and yes, absolutely have a reports on the subscription prediction. Yes, we will launch on the 31st of December what GMP we have achieved it, and yes, it may be or it probably be India's topmost companies which has launched in 2021. So have a look around our YouTube channel. Yeah, we are available on Twitter too. You can have a look our, if we upload any kind of video related to IPOs and all, you will find it on Twitter too. So have a look around that. Have a great day, guys. Good night. Bye bye. Sweet dream.